Use the spoon. Go ahead, dip it in. There you go, scoop a little bit out. Kind of. You gotta scoop out some of the stew. There you go, you got a little bit. Scoop, okay, good try. Getting just about as much on your shirt as you are in your mouth, huh? Scoop it. Pretty good. Keep trying. Oh, use your spoon. Kaden, use the spoon. Use the spoon, Kaden. Uh-oh. Try the spoon again. Can you do the spoon? Use the spoon. Good job. Yeah, that's another spoon. That's your backup spoon. You only need one. Go ahead. There you go. Use the spoon.